The literal meaning of the word Arya is superior. The Manusmriti mainly deals with laws. Vishwamitra composed the Gayatri Mantra. Author of Nyaya Sutra was Gautam. The word Aryan means of good family. Atharva Veda consists an account of magical charms and spells. The region of early Vedic Aryans was primarily of worship of nature and yajnas. The earliest settlement of Aryan tribes were at Sapta Sindhu. In the early Rigvedic period, cow was considered to be the most valuable property. Sarga, Pratisarga, Vansa, Manvantra and Vansanucharit are the indicators of Puranas.